Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making the receiver reachable. Power on the Kindlink, join it to the exact same Wi-Fi network your iPhone uses, and launch the Kindlink AirPlay receiver. Once done, make sure the receiver is set to discoverable so AirPlay can see it. On your iPhone, open Control Center and keep the screen mirroring tile visible. You will use it in the next step. This immediate alignment of network and receiver reduces pairing issues and speeds up the mirroring handshake. Now you actively connect. Swipe to open Control Center, tap Screen Mirroring, then pick the Kindlink entry that matches your device name. If a PIN appears on the Kindlink screen, type it into your iPhone to complete pairing. This secures the session. Once connected, you might change rotation or audio output from the same control. If an app blocks mirroring, quit the app and restart it. These actions ensure both video and sound route through Kindlink with minimal lag. To finish, return to Control Center and tap Stop Mirroring, which cleanly ends the AirPlay session. If you need better performance, place the iPhone and Kindlink closer to the router, use a 5 GHz band, and quit unnecessary background apps to free CPU and bandwidth. And if connection fails, restart the Kindlink and your iPhone, then confirm both are on identical Wi-Fi with no VPNs active. This restart is the single most effective trouble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.